Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OMG network. In my previous videos, I was showing you a very big falling wedge pattern that OMG network broke out on a weekly time frame chart. And I was also showing you a harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move that OMG network formed on the daily time frame chart as well and started a very nice price reversal from the potential reversals on of that pattern. And in my last video, I was telling you, by the way, this was my last video that I shared almost 1 month ago with you. And I was telling you that even though it has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, but still it needs to break out a very strong and long-term resistance on that starts from $2, $1.88 and goes to $2.05. And the price line needs to break it out in order to continue its rally to the upside. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the price line could not break out this resistance. And after that, we had extreme sell-off. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Now let's start the analysis. And by the way, this was the bullish butterfly move that I shared with my members on 14th of March. And I was also showing you this move in my previous video as well. But unfortunately, I'm not able to show you the performance of this idea. And you can see even after playing this chart, it is not doing anything because Binance has removed the trading pair of OMG network with Bitcoin. And this idea I shared with my members with Bitcoin pair. And it was also delisted, by the way, by several exchanges. And this was the reason that there was a lot of fight in the market and we had seen a lot of sell-off of OMG network. And it has broken down a very, very significant support. Now we are on the live weekly time frame chart. And by the way, this idea has produced more than 70%, almost 70% rally from this potential reversal zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to see how this idea worked or the performance of this chart, then you can watch my previous video. I have shared the link in the video's description for that video as well. Now, let me to show you this falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And this was the breakout that I was showing you in my previous video. And you can see after the breakout, we had a long spike, but the price line could not break out this very long-term resistance that starts from $1.88 and goes to $2.05. And previously, this level has been breaking as a very, very strong and long-term support and resistance zone. You can see when the price line entered here, it was bounced very well. And after breaking it down, it was flipped into a very strong resistance. We got rejected. And here it was working as a support and support, resistance, resistance. And now you can see for the past several weeks and months, it is again working as a resistance. And after getting rejected, it has broken down this support of $1.50. And now recently, it has also broken down a very, very significant support of $1 as well. But at the same time, you can see that the stochastic has completely entered the oversold zone. We have received the bull cross, that is a buying signal by the stochastic. And at the same time, on the smaller time frame chart, it has formed another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, by the way. And now it is getting bounced from the support of this falling wedge pattern. If it will break out this falling wedge pattern, then we can expect that it can be recovered soon and it can move above this very long-term support. And now it can work as a resistance for the price line that is at $1, because the target for this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $2.50. And if the price line reaches at $2.50, then it can also break out this long-term resistance zone as well. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.